top 4 juices to restore vision and memory while you sleep. The first powerhouse on our list is tart cherry juice. While many know it for joint health, its real magic for seniors lies in its high concentration of natural melatonin and anthocyanins. Melatonin is the master key for sleep, and the anthocyanins act as a high-speed delivery system for blood flow to the brain and the small capillaries in the eyes. Drinking a small glass of tart cherry juice before bed doesn't just help you fall asleep. It ensures your brain stays in the repair zone long enough to consolidate memories and flush out the proteins linked to mental fog. The second essential juice is wild blueberry nectar. Blueberries are often called brain berries for a reason. They are packed with flavonoids that have been shown in up-to-date clinical studies to actually cross the blood-brain barrier and stimulate the hippocampus, the area of your brain responsible for long-term memory. For your vision, these same flavonoids protect the retina from oxidative stress. Think of blueberry juice as a nightly software update for your mind and a protective shield for your sight, keeping your internal connections sharp and your lenses clear. Efficiency in vision restoration also requires the power of pomegranate juice. This deep red elixir is one of the most potent sources of polyphenols on the planet. For seniors, pomegranate juice acts as a natural vessel widener. By improving the elasticity of the tiny arteries that feed your optic nerve, you ensure that your eyes are receiving peak oxygen levels while you rest. Many seniors find that after just 2 weeks of consistent pomegranate intake, their night vision improves and the glare they feel during the day begins to soften. The fourth and perhaps most surprising juice is a carrot and spinach blend. While it sounds simple, this combination provides a massive loading dose of lutein and zeaxanthin. These are the only 2 carotenoids that actually deposit themselves directly into the macula of your eye, acting as internal sunglasses. At the same time, the high vitamin K content in spinach supports healthy blood clotting and prevents the tiny microbleeds in the brain that can lead to memory lapses. It is a dual-action tonic that builds a physical defense system for your most precious senses. Pacing your intake is vital for these to work. You do not need to drink a gallon of juice. In fact, just 4 to 6 ounces of these concentrated liquids is plenty. Drinking too much right before bed can lead to those midnight bathroom trips we want to avoid. The goal is nutritional density. By choosing high-quality, cold-pressed versions of these juices, you are getting the maximum biological impact with the minimum amount of fluid. This keeps your system lean and focused on the repair work at hand. We should also look at the sugar trap. Many store-bought juices are loaded with added sugars that can actually cause inflammation and hurt your memory. To stay healthy, always check the label or, better yet, juice them yourself at home. Natural sugars found in the fruit are balanced by the nutrients, but added syrups are a brain drain. By sticking to pure organic juices, you are giving your body clean fuel that won't cause a midnight sugar spike, allowing you to stay in a deep restorative state of rest. Modern wellness data shows that cognitive reserve is something you can build at any age. When you provide your brain with the pigments found in these dark-colored juices, you're increasing the thickness of your mental processing power. It's like adding more RAM to a computer. Your brain becomes more resilient to stress and better at retrieving names, dates, and faces. This isn't just about preventing decline. It's about active restoration and feeling a sense of mental brightness every morning when you wake up. The environment of your evening routine also matters. If you drink these juices while staring at a bright blue screen, you are counteracting the benefits. The blue light from phones and TVs tells your brain it is daytime, which stops the repair process. Try drinking your vision and memory tonic in dim light while listening to soft music or reading a physical book. This sensory downshift tells your body to prepare for the massive influx of nutrients you just provided, ensuring they are used for rebuilding rather than just maintenance. Consistency is the bridge to a sharper mind. You might not notice a change after one night, but by the 21st day, the cumulative effect of these antioxidants becomes undeniable. You will likely find that you aren't searching for your keys as often, and that the text on your favorite book seems a bit crisper. These small wins are the sign that your follicles of thought and your visual receptors are being nourished. You are taking a proactive stance against the passage of time. Your mindset should be one of abundance. Do not focus on what you have lost, focus on how much you can regain. Every sip of these life fluids is a choice to stay vibrant, independent, and engaged with your loved ones. You have the wisdom of a lifetime, and now you are giving your body the physical tools to keep that wisdom accessible. You are in control of your aging process, and it starts with what you put in your glass tonight. As we conclude today's breakthrough, remember that your brain and eyes are the hungriest organs in your body. They require high-octane fuel to stay in peak condition. By switching from plain water or tea to these targeted super juices in the evening, you are giving yourself the best possible chance to wake up with a clear mind and a bright outlook. You deserve to see the world in all its beauty and to remember every moment of it. Now, for that temperature activation secret. To get these juices to your brain and eyes even faster, try warming your pomegranate or tart cherry juice slightly, just until it's lukewarm. Warm liquids move through the stomach lining much faster than cold ones, entering your bloodstream with less digestive delay. This ensures that the peak level of antioxidants is circulating in your system exactly when your brain begins its nightly deep clean cycle. If you want to keep receiving these up-to-date, life-changing health tips specifically for your best years, make sure to subscribe and join our community. We are here to help you navigate senior wellness with simple, powerful strategies that actually work. Take care of your vision, protect your memory, and I will see you in the next one.